Yo, what's happening, guys? Check it out today. I'm here. I got some LED rock lights. They were on this ATV. This one, well, it had some engine failure last week. So now I upgraded to this right here. But I want to get my rock lights off. Most people, well, most of these kits, they come with little bolts and nuts and whatever, you need a drill, whatever. But what I did right here, I got myself some of this alien tape. That's what's holding these ones on right now. Check this out, guys. Alien tape's on this, on the back side of this, and I'm telling you, I'm pulling hard, and these don't want to come off. So I'm gonna have to take a knife and I'm gonna go underneath and cut the back side of it off and get these off. And I'm just gonna show you how easy it is to install these. I'm gonna show you what I do for the alien tape. Literally, when I put these on this bike, I set up this whole kit probably within 20 minutes. So yeah, they're going on the other bike. I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna do it. All right, so all I did here, I got some gas on a clean rag. Clean those up. I found the spots where I'd like to put these. I'm gonna have to go over these ones again, obviously. The gas just dried. So yeah, I just use gas and clean rag. Find the spots that you want to put. So I'm putting them on the wheel well. One right there. Put one up here. Now this is a Can-Am Renegade. All bikes are gonna be different. Find out where you want to put it. Anyway, I gotta clean those up again, obviously. And I'm gonna show you how much tape I put on these. All right, here's the alien tape. I got it out, got it all ready. Well, it's still in the package here. These are all ready. So let's get some tape on these. This is double-sided tape also. And this stuff sticks, guys. All right. So like I said, make sure your area that you're going to be putting this on is really clean. Get your tape. All right, so I barely just stuck this on, but I put it the whole length of this light here, and I'm going to cut it off down there with my knife. All right, got my tape on all four. All you want to do after you have these installed, just make sure you run your thumb all over every part of it. Make sure there's no air bubbles trapped in it. Make sure all the corners are glued on good. Like I said, this is double-sided tape. I left the tape on this side, so when I'm ready to install, I'm going to peel the tape off the top. Alright, so basically, like I said, this is two-sided tape. So you're going to peel this layer off, and then we're going to stick her on. Alright, so I got them all installed where I wanted to install them. One's there. I should have really flipped that around. The wire's running out this way. Actually, that's kind of bothering me. I might change that. That one there. Got them all pretty well in the same place on both sides. So for hooking up these lights, guys, they're super easy. So here's your connector. So you got one connector that runs out here. Obviously that one goes to your power supply. That's that box right over there in that chair. I'll show you it in a minute. So running over here, you have two short wires. And you got two longer wires. Obviously the two longer wires run to the back, right? These ones here are going to run for the front ones. So I'm going to hook up these front ones to the short and the back ones to the long ones. Alright guys, here's the finished product. I routed that all the way around like that. Really I should have went under some stuff or whatever over here, but whatever. Just make sure you keep it away from anything to heat your exhaust, anything that's going to move, anything that's going to pinch it, stuff like that. And I ran it down, around, through that, behind that snorkel, and up and through. Up here. Here's the rest of the wires I have. I just tucked them in there. And the snorkel is going to go on top. And all I do, guys, I put the cover back on. Anyway, I just hooked it into my cigarette lighter. All I did was on the back side of this here, there's two wires and they're just plugged in, and then there's two little holes inside the prongs on this here. I just put the positive in one, pushed the tab up to hold the wire onto the prong of this, and then I did the same thing on the other side. Fed the wire through the little hole, pushed the prong up on top. This is all fused and everything. I wouldn't suggest hooking a whole bunch of stuff up to your cigarette lighter. But anyway, these here is going to be lots. This is already fused, everything. Anything happens to these lights, it's going to kick the fuse and these are going to shut off before it burns the bike down. But these are really nice rock lights. I'm going to put I'll put a link, the Amazon link. Still pretty bright in here, but these are actually they're probably dirty too. And there's all different color settings you can put. There's hundreds, probably maybe even thousands of different color settings. You can actually set it up to the music on your phone. Really, really nice lights, guys. They lasted quite a while on my other bike. Now they're on this bike. There you go. Nice, easy setup. If you have any trouble hooking these up, send me a comment and I'll try to help you out as best as I can. Peace.